Hey guys, Pilot Greybird here, and today I'm going to do a video on salvaging some roadkill that a neighbor of mine had brought to me. It's a turkey, and unfortunately the tail feathers and most of the left wing were pretty demolished, but I did get a lot of the right wing feathers, and just a cool experience. I did sanitize these a little bit more than I normally would, so I apologize if, go ahead and light me up in the comments for over cleaning these feathers, but being that it's roadkill, I wanted to make sure everything was safe. So I hope you enjoy. Okay, this is what I was able to salvage. Again, this was a roadkill turkey that a neighbor of mine brought over to me, and thought maybe I could do what I could to salvage anything possible from this, beautiful creature. It's too bad that it had to die that way, but it did. So if I can honor it in any way, I'll make arrows with this, maybe some artwork. So these are wet feathers, so they're a little bit different looking than they will when they dry, but I've got some small ones here too that I can do some artwork with, but I've got plenty here that I can make arrows. Most of these are right wing. There are a couple of left wing. I'm trying to see, let's see here if I can find some left wings. I'd have to wait till they dry. I think there's a couple right here, but I'd have to wait till they dry. But anyway, these will make lots of arrows. I really needed these feathers, to be honest with you. So I'm blessed to have this. So I'm thankful. And that's my process. So basically I washed it with soapy water, drained it, put in some hydrogen peroxide, some isopropyl alcohol, let that sit for a while, rinse it again, and now these just have to dry.